And 5 individuals at Manesar quarantine facility near Delhi for coronavirus have been moved to Army Base Hospital in Delhi. The move has come in after they showed symptoms of cough and cold. Report of 1 individual is negative. Rest 4 is awaited. Union Health Minister Harshvardhan reportedly gave a presentation on coronavirus outbreak in the BJP parliamentary meeting today. The Kerala government earlier declared coronavirus outbreak as a state calamity after 3rd positive case of infection in the state. The fresh case was reported from Kasaragod. The other 2 cases were reported from Thrissur and Alappuzha. Currently, all the 3 patients are being treated in isolation wards and they are stable from what we're picking up. India earlier temporarily suspended visa to Chinese nationals. Air China has also temporarily suspended its services on the Beijing-Mumbai-Beijing route from the 5th of February. This as an individual suspected of coronavirus in Karnataka's Hubli was admitted to the hospital. He had travelled from China to Mumbai on the 18th of January.
We declared this coronavirus issue as state calamity. Our Honorable CM decided to declare it as a state calamity, and we are calling back all the health officials and all the workers back from leave. And we are making all these measures more stringent manner to prevent the coronavirus contamination or transfer and to save the lives of people.
It is confirmed that one person is he is tested positive. He is under medical treatment in a government hospital under isolated condition, and we hope that we are under perfect control. There is no reason to be panic. So everything is under control.
At present, he is stable. Vitals, even saturation, everything is normal. And since we are suspected, we have taken blood sample, and we send it to Pune laboratory to confirm coronavirus. And otherwise, remaining investigations are normal, and he is stable. If you get the report, if he is negative, then he is fit to discharge. Otherwise, if come positive, then we have to take extra precaution and we have to, again, to be followed.
Gopi is now joining us live for the latest on this story. Gopi, 3 cases that have tested positive right there from Kerala, on the back of which the Kerala government has declared this to be a statewide calamity as well. Those 3 patients, from what we're made to understand, are stable at the moment. But what does the Kerala government now intend to do to prevent any more cases from testing positive going forward?
Well, Cheti, we must understand this particular declaration in the right perspective, because State Health Minister K.K. Shailaja, while making this announcement yesterday, the immediate sentence that she followed up with the declaration of state calamity was that there is no situation to panic. People should not really be panicking, because this announcement has been made, or this declaration has been made, to mobilize the state machinery to try and ensure that the maximum government workforce is on the deck. They actually indulge in their activities, because when there is an announcement or a declaration of a state calamity or a state emergency, then all the state machinery or the state officials who are in leave or who are not really reporting for work on daily basis, they will have to be called up, and the government institutions will actually technically become a war room. So that is the technical aspect of it. Now, coming to the impact on the ground, we are right now in Thiruvananthapuram, and even in Thiruvananthapuram Medical College, there has been isolation wards which have been opened. There is 1 person who is being treated at the isolation ward and 6 who are under observation. And all these 3 cases which have been tested positive, the state government have managed to trace the links. And according to Minister K.K. Shailaja, all these 3 people are students from a same university in Wuhan. They have been in direct contact for a very long time. They were traveling together. They were traveling in a batch of other students. And the other students who are in the batch are also under very close observation. And one fortunate thing, or the positive element of this whole series of events that has turned out, is that there isn't an outbreak that is reported within Kerala. The difference is that all these 3 cases which are tested positive are actually the patients who were infected from China and then came to Kerala. after reaching Kerala, these people haven't really got an opportunity to mingle with the local crowd, because immediately after these people showed symptoms of slight fever, they were shifted to the isolation ward on the 25th or 26th of January itself. So these are the kind of preparations and actions.
All right, so these are the kind of preparations that are currently being taken by the state of Kerala at the moment, where 3 patients have tested positive so far. Gopi, continue to stay with us right there. Or as 3 cases, as I was mentioning earlier, of coronavirus